a short video this week. We've been super crazy busy. Very exciting time right now. We are going on our first trip with the channel. We're going to be combining some overlanding, some hunting, some fishing. Primary focus is going to be the elk hunt, all right? Elk season is opening up in 2 days, this Friday, and we are super excited. Michael, his dad, and their friend Russell, they all have cow elk tags. I did not get one this year, so I'll be helping them out. Very exciting. Cannot wait. We're going to be traveling up some cool, amazing weather. We actually been having to pull out all the winter clothes. It's going to be a little bit chilly. We'll see. I mean, it's 9,000 feet, you know, elevation. We're at 1,500 right now in the valley, so we'll see what happens. We'll be prepared at least. So yeah, very exciting. We're going to be gone for 9 days. All right, 9 days. That's our longest trip so far with the channel. We're going to be pushing the limits, see what our vehicles can handle, see what our setups can do, especially the expedition. We have definitely not gone that long camping with that, overlanding. So that's been a lot of fun. So where we're going, we're going to be able to have campfires. I want to try and do a lot more cooking on the campfire. I've been getting some cast iron skillets. I know Mike has a bunch of stuff. And he's pretty familiar with that, but you know, we really haven't been able to do any kind of campfires because of all the restrictions. So that's gonna be really exciting. Finally have an actual campfire. Yes. So yeah, it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna be out there in the woods. No service, no cell signal. So fortunately, not be able to post a lot. Just have to bear with us. It's just that time of year, you know. Season's up, ready to rock and roll. Want you guys to check out our website again. We've added a store there, so we've got hats and t-shirts now. Those things look awesome. I've ordered a couple for myself. I got some hats on the way, and they're super cool looking. We got some snapbacks and some fitted hats, so check those out. Got some really cool looking styles, especially the t-shirts. I can't wait till mine gets in. Okay, something else I want you guys to know about. Don't forget, the Overlander Film Festival is coming up. It's going to be coming out this coming Saturday. Not this Saturday, the next Saturday. I can't remember what day it is. September 19th, I think. Yeah, the 19th. So that's going to be awesome. We've got a film submitted. I'm really excited about that. That's the first annual Overlander Film Festival. There's going to be some great videos in there. You can get tickets to watch that. It's all virtual. Just go to X Overland or you can go to overlanderfilmfestival.com. Get tickets there to view it online. They've got some cool stuff there. If you guys are like us and are going to be camping or out in the woods that weekend, they've got a download available as well. So you can download the file, the final edit file, and you can watch the show out in the woods. We're going to try and do that. Get like a projector. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. It'll be super awesome. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate it. Like and subscribe. It'd be awesome. Check out our website. Like I said, we got lots of cool things there now. We got the store. We got membership now, monthly newsletter. So make sure you check that out. And stay tuned for that Overlander Film Fest. And, you know, wish us luck, fill up some elk tags, and have some fun. Thanks for watching, guys.